This is going to be the setup and startup of the Bauer propane heater. It's adjustable from 30 to 60,000 BTUs. It's got electronic ignition. It's got adjustable height. It comes with a 10-foot hose with a regulator. And we're gonna put this up, start it up, see how it works. There's ignition and the power. It's got a very short cord on it, so you definitely need an extension cord. So let's get this hooked up and see how it works. It's a little plastic cover on the port, the input port. Comes with a wrench. And then this is just a standard propane tank connection. And just so you can see what this looks like before I start it up. And I'll show you what a flame looks like once I get it going. Start it up. Supposed to let the fan run for 30 seconds. Slowly open gas valve. Open that a quarter turn. Press the ignition button and we're lit. There's quite a bit of heat coming out of there. And it is at about 44, 46 degrees, and it's about 9:45. This is December 2023 in northern Arizona, so it's pretty chilly. We're gonna let that go for a little bit and see how warm we get. I turned it up to max, and I'll demonstrate what you can hear the sound, the change in the sound, so I'll demonstrate that going from high to low. That's as low as it goes. The fan is not variable, it's just a flame and the amount of heat that comes out of it. And that's next. So it's been about 20 minutes and we are up to 54, 55 degrees, so it's getting there. And that temperature is that'll be tolerable in this shop. One last thing I forgot to mention, there's no shut off on this per se. You have to shut the gas off at the propane tank. So let's go ahead and try that right now. And the instructions say to let the fan run for about 30 seconds. And I can feel already it's quite a bit cooler. So I'll let that run for a few minutes and or several more seconds, and we'll call it. Thanks again.